So good morning everyone. In the current video, we are going to discuss about the mesophyte. So if in the examination, there will be a question that write a note on mesophyte. So whatever you are going to write, we are covering into this video. Okay. So mesophytes, these are the plants that are intermediate between xerophytes, that is and hydrophyte. So these are intermediate. Okay. Intermediate between xerophyte and hydrophytes. So I made separate video on the xerophyte and the hydrophytes also, and I have discussed there the adaptive feature of these plants also, but in this video I will cover it into the short way. That xerophytes are the plant that are growing in the xeric condition. Xeric conditions are, what are xeric condition? It is the dry condition where the availability of water is very low. Okay, so hydrophytes, the name itself is clear, there is high abundance of water. Okay, so the mesophyte, they lie in between the conditions of dry and abundance of water. So there is, moderate amount of water is available to the plants. Okay, so we can also write this: the mesophytes are plants that grow under what kind of condition? That grow under average temperature and moisture condition. Okay, so average is neither there is too high temperature and neither low temperature, and also neither the water is very less or more also. Okay, I will repeat the definition of the mesophyte once again, that these are the intermediate plants that grow between xerophytic and hydrophytic conditions. It means that mesophytes are the plant that grow under average temperature and moisture contents. Okay, so what all features of the mesophytes? So the first feature of the mesophyte has that they have well developed root system. Okay, so well developed root system is there for optimal functioning of the plant. Okay, now there are two type of mesophytes. Okay, dicot and monocot. Okay, and monocot. So we all know what are the dicot and monocot. The monocot will have a single seed and the dicot will have two seeds. Okay, so the dicot phenotypes of mesophyte, they possess the taproot system. Okay, I already told you that the mesophyte, they have well developed root system for optimal functioning of plant. The dicot mesophyte, they have the taproot system, whereas the monocot, they have fibrous adventitious roots. Okay, this we have to keep into the mind and has to write in the examination also. The second adaptive feature of the mesophyte is that the stem of mesophytes is solid, branched and erect. Okay, so the feature of the stem of mesophytic plant is that they have solid, they are branched and they are erect. Okay, the third difference is not the third difference, it is a third feature. The third feature of the mesophyte is that it has well developed mechanical and conducting tissue. Okay, well developed mechanical tissue. So mechanical tissue is needed for the support of the plant. Okay, so mechanical tissue and conducting tissue. So conducting tissue is xylem and phloem, and it is required for the transfer of ions, minerals. Conducting tissue. iron, minerals and water. So conducting tissues are xylem and phloem. So these are well developed, okay, for optimal functioning of the plants. The dicot, I already told you that mesophytes are of two types, the dicot and the monocot. The dicot, they will have the stomata, okay, on lower epidermis of leaf, okay, lower epidermis of leaves, okay. Whereas the monocot, the stomata, they are equally distributed stomata on both surfaces, okay. The upper and lower side of both the surfaces of the leaf, they will have the equally distributed stomata. And also the maximum capacity of guard cell is absorbed so that the plant can perform efficiently, okay. So this is all in this video covering the mesophyte. Thank you for watching the video.